George, help me out. Living on sponge cake, watching the sun bake. All of those tourists covered with gold. Give some in a six string. They're on his front porch swing. I smell those shrimp, yeah, they beginning to bubble, 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 bubble. I'm wasting away again in Margaritaville. I'm searching for my lost shaker of salt. Salt, salt, salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame. Always is. Now I think that it could be my fault. I don't know the reason I stayed here all season. Where am I at? Nothing to show but this brand new tattoo. It's right below my twin stamp. But it's a real beauty, a Mexican cutie. And how it got here, I haven't a clue. Hell, I don't remember. Wasting away again in Margaritaville. What am I doing? I'm searching for my lost shaker of salt. Salt, salt, salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame. Always is. Now I think that it could be my fault. All right, let's reggae, Reefer. My favorite part. I love that part. Who knows the lost bird? Old man in tank top. You're cruising the gift shop. And they're checking out chiquitas down by the shore. They dream about weight loss. They think they're the own boss. No sweeter vacation could be such a fun. Alright, people, help me out. I'm wasting away again in Margaritaville. I'm searching for my lost shaker of salt. Salt, salt, salt. Some people claim that there's a woman to blame. Always is. But I know that it could be my fault. All right, let's read it again. That's my favorite part. All right, let's get to the last verse. I blew out my flip-flops. I stepped on a beer top. Are you drinking canned beer? I cut my heel, had to cruise on back home, all the way to Dayton. But there's booze in the blender, and soon it will render. Then fools and kickboxing, that helps me hang on. Hang on, hang on, hang on. I'm wasting away again in Margaritaville. Yes, I am, yes, I am, yes, I am. I'm searching for my lost shaker of salt. Salt, salt, salt. Gary. We're only going to do that one once. You know, that's one of our originals.